From the golden deserts of Doha, our journey begins, a quiet climb through layers of light and cloud. The Qatar Airways Boeing 777 levels off gracefully at a cruising altitude of 39,000 feet, cutting across the deep blue sky. Outside, the jet streams flow with silent power, winds reaching up to 200 kilometers per hour, guiding us smoothly towards the far east. Over 6,300 kilometers of sky, the world beneath fades into shifting clouds and endless horizon. Time dissolves somewhere between continents, daylight turns to dusk, and the earth curves gently below our wings. Ahead lies the glittering skyline of Hong Kong, rising from the South China Sea, a symbol of motion, connection, and the spirit of flight. Calm, precise, effortless. This is QR8430, where distance becomes beauty and travel becomes art.